Hi, lovelies. I'm here again. As I promised, we have started, and today is the fourth class on foundation mathematics. If you have missed the other classes, go to the YouTube and download. Remember, modern technology would be unthinkable without mathematics. And I was told to start foundation mathematics on Facebook, which I've started. So last time I did this, three-digit numbers. That is addition of three-digit numbers. When we say three-digit numbers, we're talking of three numbers: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we say three-digit numbers. That means 1, 2, 3. Now, I say you should go and try this. If you have done it, this number 2, or if you have done the 2, 1, 2, you will appreciate today's class and you will learn. You are doing yourself a favor. Please, if you want to know mathematics, as I've started from primary school, follow me like this. Before we get to the top and roof it, if you are building, you must see the foundation. This is the foundation. Don't just join us at the top when we are roofing. I've done this. So go back to my YouTube and find the video. Today, I want to do this addition of 3 4-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3. 4-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Solution. When we're doing this, I said there are two methods when we did this. So I'm going to use the two methods. Method 1, which is direct addition. Then method 2, which is step-by-step addition. Let's see whether we'll get the same answer. But I know that if you are right, you must have the same answer. That is mathematics for you. Direct method. Direct method is called direct addition. Direct addition. Now, let's solve it by direct addition. Since there are 4-digit numbers, I'll write my heading 1000, 100, tens, and unit. 1000, 100, tens, and unit. So I must start writing from the unit side. 5 is the unit here. In that number 1, I write 5. 8 is the tens. 0 is 100. 4 is 1,000. That's why they say 4,085. Now, this place, the unit there is 8. Second line, 8, 6, 9, and 2. This one, the unit there is 2, 6, 5, and 3. So you roll it. Good. You put your plus here. Put it here. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. When you have two numbers, this is the unit and this is the tens. You write 5 and carry 1. So I'll write 5 and carry 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. Plus the 1 I carry is 21. When you have 21, you write down 1 and carry 2. I write down 1 and carry 2. Good. Now 5 plus 9 is 14. Plus the 2 I carry is 16. So when I have 16, I write down 6 and carry 1. I write down 6 and carry 1. Remember, why I write tens? If you have two numbers, tens and units, you always write 6 and you always carry tens, which is 1 there. Now 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is 9. But there's one I carry, which make it what? 10. And when I have 10, I carry 0. I write 0 and carry 1. So this is 0. Now, the one I carry, since there's no another number, you put it under the plus. But in some mathematics textbooks, they'll create another line. They call it 10,000, 100, tens, and unit. So if you want to create that, since this has given rise to this, you can create it. And if you want to create it, you leave the plus. Remember, if you leave it like that, you get it. What that means, you're now putting 1,000, 10,000. This is the line. Now put this one to be 0, 0, 0. So the one you carry is here. And when you have it like that, that means under this 10,000 you have 1. Then you put your plus. But if you leave it even under the plus, you will still get it. But some textbooks would like to leave it like this: 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and unit, because this one has given another 9 to it. So when they have extra at the side, they will now introduce another one. I didn't mean we stop here and we'll have extra, they will introduce 1,000. I didn't mean it's two numbers, tens and unit, and they have extra, they will introduce 100. So don't be confused. Any line, right? It's okay. So if you like introduce, if you like don't introduce, just write your 1 under plus. You are still correct. If you check our previous class, you will understand better. So this is the direct method. Now what we'll do is to write our answer somewhere so that we can compare it with the step-by-step addition. The answer we have here is 10615. That is the answer we got from the direct addition under method 1. Let's write this one, method what? 1. So that is that about that. I'll print this so that I can write the second method. Let me solve it using the second method. Anyone you like, you choose. So method 2. Method 2, we'll call it step-by-step addition. Method 2, call it step-by-step what? Addition. Now, since we call it step-by-step addition, now step 1. Step 1. Step 1 said add the 2 first, which is what? Since there are 4-digit numbers, you start with 1,000, 100, tens, and unit. You start from the first one, 5, that is the unit, 8, 0, 4, 8, 6, 9, 2. You add your plus. Remember, you must start adding from the unit side. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Since it's 13, remember I told you that if you have 13, that is unit tens, right? You write the unit, which is 3, and carry the tens, which is 1. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. I'll write down my 5. Carry 1. That one I'll put it here. That's 15. You write down 5 and carry 1. 9 plus 0 is 9. I told you that if you have anything at all under the sun and you add it to 0, is that thing. You that you are seeing the video, you plus 0 is you. 10 million plus 0 is 10 million. 1 billion plus 0 is 1 billion. 84 billion plus 0 is 84 billion. So anything you add to 0 is that thing. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Plus the 1 I carry is 10. And when you have 10, you write what? 0 and carry 1. That one is here. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 1 I carry is 7. So I have it like this. Right? So that is that about that. Then I have to go to step 2. Step 2. Step 2. I still repeat the same what? Since they are 4-digit number, 100, tens, and unit. Step 2. Now, in this step 2, let me create space. In this step 2 say bring the answer you got from step 1. Start from the unit, which is 3, the tens, which is 5, the 100, which is 0, and the 1,000, which is 7. When you are done, say bring this last number. Start from the unit, which is 2, 6, 5, and 3. You add your plus. This is step 2. Remember, step 1 said just add the two numbers first. Step 2 said the answer you got from the two number you added, write it first and bring down the last 4-digit number. If it's 3-digit number, you bring down, but bring down the last number you have to add them together. So that is the number here. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. And I told you if I have 11, that is unit, tens, I'll write unit, carry tens. The unit is 1. I'll now carry 1, which is tens. Now 0 plus 5 is 5. And 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. Now, since it's 10, told you two numbers, I'll carry the tens and write the unit, which is 0. The unit, which is 0, is here. Then the tens that I carry, you see that I create another line or put it on what? On the plus. That is the tens I carry, which is here. So what is left for me to do is to now bring them together. Step by step addition, so that when you are done, you bring it together for a better understanding. Now, what am I supposed to do? I'll say hence. Hence. Look at what I'm going to do here. I can now introduce the 10,000 here. Let's say 10,000. 10,000. 1,000. 100, tens, and unit. Now, because there's an addition here, this one, I'll start from the unit. All the numbers. The first one, the unit there is 5, 8, 0, 4. Now, the first number, they are not 5-digit number. Since they are not 5-digit number, I'll write 0. 0. But why did I introduce this? Because the answer is 5 digits. The answer of the step 2 is 5 digits. So since the answer of step 2 is 5 digits, I have to introduce 10,000. Now, the second number is, the unit is what? 8, 6, 9, 2. It's not 5-digit number. So I'll write what? 0. The third number is what? 2. From the unit, 2, 6, 5, 3. It's not 5-digit number, so I'll write 0. So I'll now put my what? Now, since there are 3 9s, I'll add 2 plus. So the answer will add from here. You just bring the answer together. From the step 2, you now bring it. 5, no need of you walking here again. 5, 1, right? 6 0 and 1. Do you see it? That's why we produce this. If not, you will not see a place to put your 5-digit answers. So if you look at it, now let's compare the answer. The answer we got from the direct method is 10615. And the answer we got from step 1, step 2 addition is 10615. So we're correct. Please, if you like my method, do me a favor too, as I'm doing you a favor. Because if you look at the digital life we are living today, cybersecurity, system engineer, that's system engineering, data science and artificial intelligence, especially data science and artificial intelligence or data analytics, cannot do without mathematics. Modern technology will be unthinkable without mathematics. And our effort at mathematics and technology skills is zero illiteracy, to achieve zero illiteracy. Do me a favor by following me. Tell your children, instead of them playing around, let them come here and start from foundation mathematics. Today is the lesson 4 on foundation mathematics, and we'll take it to the roof. So follow me and like my class, my video, then share it, comment. Thank you so much for watching me today. I am your celebrity mathematician, Omale Jeffrey Jojo.